Abase, which means to behave in a way that makes you seem lower or less deserving of respect. Lose your self-respect. Degrade you. For example, 1. He usually abases himself of his poor background, therefore he is not good at any skill. 2. He is not qualifies at his exam because he abases himself of less opportunities. 3. Before to walk outside he abases himself of his cheap clothes, that's why he is so shy. 4. Despite he is intelligent, her performance in reading is not well. Because of his behavior with self is always abasing himself as a poor child, ugly face, and shy student, and so on. So, this behavior brings his performance low at his studies. Synonyms of abase: belittle, debase, degrade, demean, diminish, disgrace, dishonor, humble, humiliate, lower, mortify, reduce, shame. Antonyms of abase: promote, raise, advance, upgrade, abase, 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 abase. In another example, you can see clearly that a white person is standing sad after looking the healthy lifestyle of other because he abases himself that his body is not as much healthy, good, beautiful as them. Thank you for being with us.